universe. You are the most high. Now let me sing my song. I'm gonna love. I lift my hands to you. Miyeruwe, Miyeruwe. Take it all, take it all. I'm gonna love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okpe, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. I know this video looks different, yes. I'm coming to you in my most basic state. Yeah, that's because this is a hair review for Nadula Hair Company. They were gracious enough, they sent me hair. So Nadula Hair Company is based in China, and they sent me 4 hair bundles and a lace frontal. I have the hair in 2022 and 224, and then a 20-inch lace frontal. I already had my hair made into a wig. Obviously I can't make a wig myself yet, I'm still learning, but then I had my bundles made into a wig. This is it in the raw form. I have not added any product to it. I sprayed it with water this morning. I already put my foundation in the cap. I'll insert a picture of the day I made it into a wig. The guy that made it into a wig laid the hair, and in the frontal was not my hair color, so I could see the lace very well, so I went over with my foundation and a little bit of powder on it. But then I'm going to insert the picture. God, the day I made this hair, and I put up a picture on Instagram, my DM was blowing up. Fam, I don't think I've ever gotten that much message about my look in a long time. I'm going to insert pictures here and here so that you guys can see what I talk about. Okay, I already tried laying this hair. Trust me, I already filmed this whole thing before, but then I didn't like the way it looked because I didn't do it justice. So I already got a hairstylist that is going to do this hair for me. He's going to come here and lay it properly, the way you guys deserve to see this hair being slayed. So when the time the hairstylist gets here, I'm going to sharply do my makeup. I really don't do pink makeup on myself because it's just cringe, but then I'm going to try and do something that sort of matches my backdrop. So let's see how that works out. Contouring my face with this. I can't afford to stain my white. Whoosh, yes. My eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the P. Louise base. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using a blush palette. So I'm going in with this pink first. Now I'm going to dip in it with this wine in the center. So I'm going to dip in it with a bit of black. Not too much, just mildly. I'm literally going to just use a fluffy brush to pack in this baby pink here.
Jesus' name above all this.
Wow, this base is actually mad.
And you left them in the grave, and you rose with victory. He will. Hey, so let me sing my song.
Finally, the hairstylist is here, so he's going to help me get my hair in order now. As he's doing my hair, I'm going to give you guys the information about the hair and everything you need to know. So guys, this is Abe. Abe, come and show your face. So this is Abe. You're supposed to be looking at the camera. Okay. Abe is JJ.
Okay, guys.
So this is Abe Matthew Works. I'm going to put his Instagram handle. He's going to slay my hair now, you guys. And I'm going to sit here and keep looking pretty for you guys. Yeah, Abe, let's do this. So when I got the hair, one thing I noticed, I'm going to obviously insert clips of how the hair came. It came in this DHL pack, and the shipping took just 3 days, guys. 3 days. In fact, I feel like it was 2.5 because they asked for my address, and it took 2 days to get to Nigeria, all the way from China. Apart from shipping being quick, is that the hair was very true to length. When it is done, I'm going to stand up so that you guys can see where the hair is on my body. The first time I wore it, it was exactly at below my navel. Then another thing is that since I got it, trust me, I've been playing with this hair and I've not gotten any shedding. Like, the shedding is very minimal. The time I got the most shedding was the day I made it into a wig because they were cutting the weft. After that day and I brushed it out, since then nothing. Shay Abe, you've been brushing it, did you get shedding?
At all.
So the shedding is not bad, it's not pulling off or anything. So maybe if you pull, you get maybe 1 or 2 strands. I had to write down the points, guys, so that I can remember to tell you. I could get used to this Toke-Makiwa lifestyle. Every day I want to go out for slayage, I'll just call Abe, come and slay your girl. Ah, man, mad. You guys, look at this. And Abe is not even halfway done. So mad. See, obviously I had to use my foundation for inside. Another thing I need to mention is that Nadula, their social media is very, very, very responsive. So if you have any questions, please feel free to DM them. They answer quickly. Once you leave a comment, you get a reply. So in case you need help in choosing which hair will be suitable for you or which length, you can DM them. Let me turn so that you guys can see. Whoosh. I'm going to give you guys an update on this hair. This is just my initial review. After like a month or 2 months, I'm going to show you guys. So let's just say by ending of December, when I wear it for all my Christmas rocks, show you guys how well this hair has kept up. Trust me, from I've had this hair now for like 2 weeks of me throwing it up and down, everything, passing it to the guy that made it into a wig, then obsessing about the wig. Guys, see, this hair has been through it. It's already here now and I can't wait to show you guys the final result. Another thing is that the density of this hair is very full. I have 4 bundles and I could not finish it. I still have extra from the 4th bundle. Density was very full. It's not scanty at all. I told you guys I was going to insert a video of the day it came so you guys will see the curl pattern it came in, because right now it's already like brushed out. In the description box, I'm going to leave all their links to this hair, this particular hair, their website. They also have a store on AliExpress, so you can either, if you're comfortable ordering off AliExpress, you can either order off AliExpress. I would advise you order through their website, because then they are dealing with you one-on-one and then your shipping would take quicker than it would be on AliExpress, because AliExpress still takes their time. I'm gonna just sit here and watch Abe slay this hair. The remaining of this video might just be fast forwarded, except if I have something important to say. Yeah.
I saw shiny light. I know you rescued me. Yes, you paid my price. When you died and rose again, one thing I'm sure of is 'cause I'm
guys, see how I look like? I have like 30 billion in my account. Let me touch it. I want to touch. I'm so impatient. You know when you do fine hair and you can't wait to just see how it looks? That's how I feel right now. Ha! You guys see this hair. Like, one thing I've noticed about this hair, even when I watch review, because when I was trying to get which one, is that it holds coil so good. Like, see,
Nice.
mad, and it's so bloody bouncy. Guys, this is the hair I'm going to wear on my birthday. I'm so happy because I don't think I could have done this hair justice for myself. I couldn't have. I'm so happy that I had the inclination to call for help, because Abe has laid my hair to the gods. Look how beautiful this is. I need to make a snap, guys. I need to let the world see this. Slayage. Yay, the review. Is this how you girls used to just slay? Is this how? Wow. Let me just be slaying for you guys as Abe is slaying my hair, okay?
I was lost and you found me in the teeth of my stones.
See how I look like? What is baby cares? This is a baby care thing.
Small girl, big God.
Yeah. God, I'm a small girl, big God, though, in every sense of the word, please. My God is a very big God. So guys, do I still need to do this outro? Do you see what I'm saying about this hair? Do you see? Let's not take a moment of silence for this hair. Amen. Wow, look at this part. We didn't even put powder or anything in the part, though. That's literally like farm. Guys, before I continue and just keep rambling on, you can already see the hair old curls, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be like this for a while. I am in love with this hair. This is Nadula Hair Brazilian Body Wave in 2022 two 24s and a 20-inch frontal. So every other information you guys need is going to be in the description box. I'm definitely going to give you guys an updated review after a while, but then for now, my initial review, I am in love with this hair. In love. If there's any question you guys have concerning the hair, please leave it down below. I'm going to leave Abby's Instagram too, because he's the one that did justice to this hair. I couldn't have done it myself, and I'm so happy I was smart enough to allow him style the hair. Don't forget, you need to check the description box, because that is where all the links, the discount codes and everything is going to be. Please check so that you won't have to go there, because it can be very overwhelming. I remember when they asked me to choose a hair on their website, I was bloody overwhelmed because I didn't know what to do. I didn't even use the website. I went to their Instagram page to check and see the finished products. I would rather you do that. If you don't know what to get, if you don't want something this long, they have short hair, they have straight hair, coily, wavy, everything. So you're good to go. Nadula Hair has you covered, guys. If you need any other thing, any other questions you guys have, please leave it in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer you. And the things I can't answer you, I would refer to a professional to answer you guys. So that's that about this hair. Let me go and be a baby girl. If you're not subscribed and you've watched this video this far, I'm judging you. So please see the subscribe button is right here. See, just look at it or click it, okay? And don't forget to click the bell, because if you don't click the bell, you will not see my videos. So make sure you click the bell so that you can see my videos, and please leave a comment. You guys know YouTube algorithm is scoring. So the more you leave a comment on my page, the more it allows YouTube know that you want to see my content. If not, you're not going to see my videos when I post them. So make sure you interact in the comment section so that I can know what you guys like. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me again. See you guys in my next video. Peace out. Kisses. All right, let's move to the outro, the interesting part of this video. Yawon updates. Which song am I playing?
You brought me out and you wrapped me in your strong arms so tight. Leave my life in all of you. Now inside of you I did. 'Cause my life belongs to you. Let the blessings follow those who will believe. Oh, yeah. Now because I believe. Often I wonder why you love me so. Many times I sit down and think, which kind of love is this you? Emi eniyan lásán lẹ́sọ̀rẹ́ tó kọ yìí fún. I will walk the walk of feet that sends me. While it's day, it's gonna lead me to the desert storm, and I won't fear. Walk with me, hold me close through the miry clay. Oh. Leave my life in all of you. Now inside of you I did. 'Cause my life belongs to you. Let the blessings follow those who will believe. Oh, yeah. Now because I believe. Better days are coming my way today. 'Cause everything you've done has brought me to this point. So I bring my